Today we're gonna get into foundation. But before we get into foundation, we gotta do a little preparation, right? So you should always be prepping your skin. Before you put on any type of makeup, you should always be prepping your skin. So you wanna make sure your skin is nicely moisturized and hydrated, because you don't wanna put no makeup, no foundation, no concealer, no powder, none of that on no dry spots, because it's not gonna look good. So I'm going in with this Ashley Sade Beauty Flawless Moisturizer. It has aloe and plenty other skin loving ingredients. Next we're gonna do primer. You wanna get a primer based on your skin type. e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, because I am oily combination. Definitely aim for a hydrating primer if you have oily skin. A Matadou, but y'all, you can multi-prime. I don't even know if that's a word. If you want to use like something hydrating in this area and then something, you know, more mattifying on your eyes, that's cool too. Like, it ain't no rules to it. Do it how you want to do. It's imperative that you find your right shade and your right formula. Typically, people like me that have hyperpigmentation, a couple of dark marks and things, typically go for more of a fuller coverage or a medium coverage. So of course, you need to base it off of your skin type and what you got going on with your skin. You also got to figure out your application tool. Like if you're one of those people that like brushes, you like a beauty sponge, you like your hands. Up to you. It is no way to do any of this wrong. So the foundation I'm using today is going to be the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is described as a glow booster for radiant skin. So this is more so like, some people will wear this under their foundation, if that makes sense. Or it can be considered a tinted moisturizer. I got Tan D. Ooh. I'm gonna use my brush. It ain't that clean either, yes, I know. Y'all, I've been having the time this year with trying to find a good foundation concealer, because I've never been this light, honestly. Not in the face. My chest and all that is always going to be lighter than my face, because I'm not an outside person. So far, I'm not mad at this, y'all. I actually don't mind it. It is very like orange for me. But one thing I've noticed on this complexion journey is that it's okay. Especially because you can just like go in and you can add something lighter. If you're into like a glow or whatever, it gives you a nice glow. Notice that this has like some glitter or some like type of iridescent powder in it. It has skincare in it. It has squalene in it, and it has hyaluronic acid. It said that that's a glow booster. I don't know how I feel about the makeups with the skincare in it. I mean, it's good for the people that wear their makeup all day. Is it really beneficial? I don't know if I could have went lighter, because I don't know what the lighter shade is, but the contrast between my chest and my face goes crazy. I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right, y'all, so it's a little later and I can give y'all a full review on this product. I like it. You can definitely still see the glow. I do want to see what the shade before this looks like, because I do feel like this is just like a tad too dark, but if not, I'll keep the shade and I'll just, you know, add my concealers to make it a little bit lighter. But I'm not mad at this. I will say that my skin does feel like a little itchy, like a little irritated. I have always had like a irritation towards glitter. Like, it just ain't for me. So I don't really know if this is glitter. It could just be a mind thing, I don't know. But other than that, like, I'm not mad at this. I definitely recommend trying it for yourself. It wouldn't hurt. I like this. I hope this video was informative and you guys were able to take something from it. I'll see you guys next video.